Online teaching has become the new norm, and that is why I'm going to tell you today how to engage a student in your online teaching classes. The first thing is to know your target audience. You have to formulate your online classes such that your target audience is engaged. So everything that you put forward in your online class should be aimed at your target audience. The second one is regarding your video quality. Your online classes needs to have an excellent video quality. If not excellent, they have to be such that your students can view them in any devices irrespective of the screen size. A bad quality video will not get you much of engagement, but a good quality video will take your classes far. The third tip is to keep your videos or your classes short. Now, since it is online and people are just staring at a screen, it is better if your videos are short. This way, your target audience will be able to engage, keep their attention span flowing as long as your video is playing. The next one is to use multimedia. This means you can use various tools while you are in your online class. You can use audio, visual, videos, whatever you want to keep your audience engaged. The next one is to keep your classes interactive. It is important whether your classes are offline or online that they are interactive. Interaction always engages audience. That is why you can either pose a question and ask them to answer you through the comment box or the chat box, or you can even ask them to get in touch with you for an interactive session. And finally, the most important thing is to be yourself. Every teacher has their own unique style of teaching and delivering lessons. So find your unique style and stick to it. Just be yourself and your audience is bound to be engaged. I hope those tips helped you. Thank you so much for watching.